Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. Give video a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment below what's next, and on to the video. Well guys, today we're in the mall. I'm here with Joel. Say hi, where are you?
Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up?
And we're gonna shop around, go to the beach, and what else?
Shout out to American Eagle because they got really good jeans. You guys should shop at American Eagle. Like, you guys are missing out a lot.
Hashtag not sponsored, but yeah. Say hi.
What's up guys? Shop at Express. You already know.
I'm gonna eat some Wendy's. What you gonna eat, dude?
Hey guys, I got my poke bowl. It's been a minute, but I'm craving it like crazy.
I got some Wendy's. Oh, look at the bag. It looks
Brianna gave me no napkins. Are you kidding me? Okay.
It looks disgusting. Yeah, I think so. But we are at the look at the little beach.
Wait, look at this. Oh, perfect, dude. This is a perfect picture.
So we're gonna eat and go in the water. Maybe, perhaps.
Maybe. We should have done this like super early. But...
Yeah. So yeah, guys, see you right now. Don't move. This is so cool. It's really close to us. It's like, what are you doing? Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. I want to touch it. Ah, I moved. No, you can't feed that to him. He's like, don't touch me, you peasant. Ah, this is so cute. Dude, he's turning to you. He wants you. Look, he wants you, Joel. Ah, you feeling
Pretty good.
Hey, you don't look. How you feeling? You can see yourself. Good? Oh, yeah. Say hi to them.
You guys gotta come out here. You guys are.
I know.
Come on, guys. Come out here.
And the beach.
Hey, I'll promise. If you guys come out here, I promise y'all that I'll give you some sunscreen.
I don't know about that, but okay. Oh shit, there you go. Okay, ready? I'm gonna record yourself.
No,
getting
don't record
into...
me.
Okay, I will record. Why not? Okay, ready?
What are you gonna do?
We'll go! I'm not! Just go, dude. Dude, do you think I would go at you like bad? And I have my phone on? Yo, bird! Go, dude! It's crazy! Okay, where are you going, Joel? Joel! Okay, have a cold. So guys, we're getting way over there. He's over there. I'm waiting myself. And guys, I don't have no extra clothes, so wish me luck. I don't know. Oh my god. Or get more wet, but this is fun. Okay, so it's coming this way, swimming. Does he know that he's not recording? Oh my. Oh! Like, woo! Say hi! Hey, dog! Woo! What? Dog!
Dude, come on. It's not that bad.
Can you see yourself?
It's not that bad, guys.
Says someone holy. So, guys, I'll let you guys go. I'll show you guys right now some shots of the dirty water, and then yeah. He's not even the Joel! Oh! Come! You're having fun! Look at the sunset. Hey, have a okay, fuck it. I wanna do that to you. Little bee. Wait, yeah, you can see yourself. Hold on, what did I say? Now you can see yourself. You little. No, no. Okay, sorry. Peace out. So I'll let you guys in the safe sound of my shoe before the water comes. So I'll see you guys there. He pretends to wet me now. Oh fuck, I can't do this. Hey, no, Quentin. I can't do this. How's that? Oh! You little... No. Oh, he goes with me. Oh, dude, you little fuck. You wanna do that? Okay, this is called now. Almost halfway. Stop following me, you little... Okay, yeah. Little penguins. So this little bee with me. Okay. Look at the duckies. We have a wild horse. We have. Oh my god. Look at the duckies fighting. We have a wild Joel. Look at the ducks, they're fighting. Can you see them? They're literally like getting wet. That's us, you and me, Joel. They're getting wet like us. Yeah. That's funny. It's like a little duck keep area. Oh, there's no ducks here. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling refreshed. I didn't think I was gonna get in the water, but I guess I did. And I can't wait to get home. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna eat some salmon again. And then I'm probably just gonna play, I don't know, video games. I don't know.
Okay, cool. Anything else?
Shout out to Willy Wonka. That guy was so funny. Follow him, Willy Wonka TikTok. Y'all gotta follow him because he's funny.
He is pretty funny. But I was gonna say something. You really do like salmon, huh?
Yes, dude, salmon is my favorite food. Salmon is everything to salmon. My heart.
Excuse him. I don't like salmon, but ¿Qué te iba a decir? Oh yeah.
We're not friends anymore.
Rude.
I'm just kidding.
Oh no, that way there's people
I'm
coming.
kidding.
I know you are. But I wanted to show you guys, but there's a lot of people. Like, look at the park. There's some houses right there. There's other houses, there's people right there. And there's the wild Joel right there.
Uga. A wild Joel. We're spawning a vlog?
Yeah.
You don't want to get crashed with bike? So as you can see, fellows, we got
duckies
swimming in this cold pond. Man, I don't know how to do it there, but
they have layers of fur.
you know, it's always nice
Do they
to
have
see
fur?
duckies right here. Just like they're just chilling, dude. Like, imagine being a duck here, dude, and like this is just your swamp is your hood. Like,
Like, do they have fur or they have feathers? I don't know. But there's another one right there saying something. But yeah, guys, this is a cute little walkway. area.
Bro, I thought I was gonna have to put my phone in rice because it wasn't working.
Go.
And it wasn't turning on. And I was like, no. But then
It worked.
I'm
gonna do that. Here.
Dude, no.
It's recording already. Here,
kidding.
just hold it.
Oh my gosh. I was just kidding, dude.
You can't dare me. Go on the water.
Alright, Rafa. Let's see this.
Okay, can you hold this up? Hold my wallet and my phone.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa, what's in front?
He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. I already know he's gonna fall. Rafa, look!
What? Fuck yeah.
Oh, dang it. I tried to move the gate. Oh, he made it.
Come on. Wait.
Good job.
And now, whoa!
Now, jump down to the water.
Hell no. That I would not do.
Alright, come over here to this side. This side over here. Over here, over here, over here. Alright, you ready?
Nope. What the fuck, man?
But you could do it.
Dude, I can't.
Dude, you have to do it for your views.
If I fucking fall, you're gonna fuck you. I could think him. Dude, you're shaking it.
Come on, don't fall, don't. Oh my gosh, if you fall, it's...
Boom. Little bitch. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, Rafa has a potty mouth, and he's being a very, very bad child.
Not what to do here.
Come on, you're almost there, you're almost there.
And then I fucking fall. You little... Okay then.
Alright, Rafa, what are your words of what do you got to say after you did all
So
this?
it was fun, but I'm not gonna trust you ever again. You freaking shaked it so much, and I thought I was gonna fall.
What? Come on.
Yeah, come on, do that then. Do it.
No, my foot hurts.
And so guys, it's me editing. I forgot to do an outro. So if you give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. So yeah guys, peace out. Peace out.